Delete your old online accounts now. You've probably signed up for a lot of online services that you no longer use. I know I have. Most of those accounts probably still exist, and they likely contain a mix of your personal data, identity details, and credit card numbers. If you no longer use those services, close accounts now. Don't leave juicy targets lying around for hackers and attackers. And here's why you should close those old accounts. We live in an age when data breaches are common. What happens if a service is breached and leaks all the personal data you've uploaded to it? What happens if a developer goes rogue and abuses saved credit card numbers, spams you, or sells their service to a company that will? If you reuse passwords, a password leak on one site means that attackers can get access to your accounts at other sites. Even if you don't reuse passwords, the personal data associated with your old unused accounts could still give attackers answers to your security questions on other websites. To protect your privacy, it's a smart idea to remove your private data from services you no longer use. You can do this by closing those outdated accounts rather than leaving them dormant. Here are several tips that can help you find those old dormant accounts. Look in your password manager. If you use a password manager to keep track of all your login details, your password manager will effectively be a database of all the accounts you have open. Even if you use your browser's built-in password manager, it may remember many of your accounts. Look through the list of saved logins for accounts you no longer use. Search your email. If you search your email for welcome, verify, your account, free trial, and similar phrases found in the welcome emails that many services send, you might discover quite a few old accounts you've forgotten about. Check Facebook, Google, or Twitter. Many services let you sign in with Facebook, Google, and Twitter accounts to create an account. If you've used this feature, check your list of apps connected to your account. Bear in mind that you can't just disconnect the connection to clear your data. This won't make the other service delete your account. Visit Have I Been Pawned? This service shows you which leaks your email address have been part of. It might remind you of some old accounts, and it'll show you which publicly available leaks have already contained your data. Now that you've got one or more accounts you want to delete, deleting the accounts should be the easy part, but unfortunately, it often isn't. Here are some tips to finding out how to delete an account. Search for the name of the website or service and delete account using a web search engine like Google or DuckDuckGo. Check justdelete.me, which offers a convenient database with instructions for deleting a wide variety of online accounts. Visit the website support website and look for information on deleting accounts. You may also want to check the website's privacy policy for specific details about when the company deletes data and how you can request deletion. Contact the website support and ask to delete the account. If you can't delete an account, there are some things you can still do to protect your private data. Sign into the account and follow these steps. Remove any saved financial and payment information, such as saved credit card numbers that make it easy for anyone with access to the account to make purchases. Delete the private data you have stored in the app. For example, if you have an old account in a note-taking app, To-Do app, or calendar service, you'll want to delete those old notes, tasks, and calendar events. Remember to export and download anything you want to keep before deleting it. Clear saved personal information details like your name, birthday, shipping address, and other details in the account's settings. If you remove all the personal data you can from the account, attackers won't be able to get much data in a breach. Think twice before signing up in the future. Consider being more selective about what accounts you create in the future. In the future, before you sign up for an account, you might want to consider whether it's worth the trouble. Do you really want to give that service your data? Even if you just sign up for half as many accounts going forward, that will reduce your privacy attack surface. There are fewer sources through which your personal information could be compromised. Thanks to Chris Hoffman for his excellent article in How to Geek on this very important topic. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.